So on the ICP chart, I mean, what have we seen? We have seen a 3-wave move up, and the price already, well, it already invalidated the idea of possibly forming 5 waves up a while ago. So this is not a bullish chart, not with 3 waves up and a 5-wave decline. I have to say, though, this 5th wave down extends quite a bit. But I think I said it last time already. The white scenario is already preferred. I don't see anything clearly bullish here. Even now, where a lot of cryptos have started to bounce, ICP hasn't really done anything. It's just gone down lower. So yeah, we've now reached a 78.6 retracement. That doesn't invalidate anything, but it just confirms further my view that this is a weak chart. And there was a chance, but the price needed to form 5 waves to kind of, let's say, increase probabilities for an upside breakout. So with only 3 waves up and actually 5 waves down, the white scenario remains preferred. But the thing is, we haven't even seen a healthy wave 2 bounce. I mean, not even that. So if we see some upside momentum, then my first, let's say, my view will be that it's probably a wave 2 bounce, which could lead to a test of the $5.26 to $7.95 area. That's the standard resistance for a wave 2. And I mean, really the only way that the bulls could still do something here, I mean, I don't really like at all here the idea of a diagonal pattern, not in this way, not with 5 waves down. So the only other way, I think, how the bulls could do something here is probably in a, it's a very forced wave count. It's not even, it's hopium. But obviously we need a bullish alternative. Sometimes the charts just surprise, right? So it could be a larger wave 2 here somehow that's forming. But then I don't really have a clear 3-wave structure in this pullback. And I would need to measure the entire distance. But it's not, again, it's not a setup I would trust until we see some upside momentum even, right? And yeah, it's not, it's just nothing I think that would, from an Elliott wave point of view, make sense trading on the long side, not with 3 waves up and 5 waves down. So, but this would be the next support zone to watch here, $3.10 and $2.27. And especially the area here around $3.10 could be the next cluster of support. I mean, I'm not saying I would expect a full upside breakout from there, but obviously from a structural point of view, to get some more clarity, it would be good to get at least that wave 2 bounce. And it could happen from, from this zone. Yeah, that should give you some clarity where we are, but there is no uptrend at the moment. The pressure remains down here in the short term, but I'm watching for that wave 2 bounce.